You've probably heard this. Temple, who owed labor to the palace. Long before coins existed, complex societies were already running on IOUs, tracked and enforced by institutions. This flips the textbook order completely. Debt and credit came first. Money came later, as a tool for tracking obligations at a distance, between people who had no personal relationship to rely on. Here's what makes this uncomfortable for the story we like to tell about ourselves. The barter myth suggests humans are naturally self-interested traders, that at our core, we're all individually calculating what we can get from each other, and society is just the sum of all those trades. Money in that story is simply the natural conclusion of human selfishness organizing itself efficiently. But the actual anthropological record tells a different story. For most of human history, the glue holding communities together wasn't calculated trade. It was obligation, the assumption that you'd help people now because the community would remember and help you later. Trust came before transaction. Relationship came before exchange. Money didn't replace a broken barter system. Money replaced trust itself for situations where trust wasn't possible. Strangers, long distances, large-scale societies. And in doing so, it let human cooperation scale far beyond what any village could track in memory alone. That's a genuine achievement. But it also meant something quieter got lost along the way. The kind of economy where you didn't need a coin to know what you owed someone, because you simply remembered. We tell ourselves money was invented to solve an inconvenience. 2 people, 2 goods, no match, so we built coins to fix it. But the deeper truth is stranger. Money wasn't built to replace barter. It was built to replace something far more human. The memory of a community that once knew, without needing to write it down, exactly what everyone owed each other. Every time you tap a card, or send a payment with your phone, you're using a system built for strangers. A tool invented because trust, at scale, doesn't scale on its own. We solved that problem, but somewhere in solving it, we stopped needing to remember each other at all.